channel, and I'm very grateful that you are here joining me in unbagging my March 2020 Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and open these two beautiful bags, okay? Now, this one bag is my regular profile, which is the 40-year-old profile, and this one is a younger version of me profile. And I think I put the age here for like 30 or 31. So 40 years old versus a 30-year-old bag. Okay, so let's check what's in here. I'm for sure maybe this will have some products that are the same. So we're gonna open first the 40-year-old me bag. Okay. Now, Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly subscription, and it's a beauty and skincare, makeup and skincare subscription, and it's $12 a month, and you will get a bag and 5 deluxe sample products. Deluxe sample size products, and sometimes you also get a full size product. Okay, like this one. This is a full size, and it's a brush from, ooh, this is really nice. This is from Complex Culture, and this is my choice product for this month. What is that noise? And here is the brush and the beautiful handle. Very nice. I'm very happy with this when they have this and had this in the choice. Okay, let's put this down, and there's sheet mask here, which is obviously a full size, and there's 2 here. So I paid, by the way, I paid $12, right? And then this is, I think this one retails for $13. Then the sheet mask, maybe one is $3 for one sheet mask. So there's $6 here for sure. And then let's open the bag. Ooh, by the way, here is the theme for March 2020, and it's Celebrate You. And in this month, by the way, instead of getting 5 products, we get one bonus item, because the March 2020 bag is their 100th glam bag. Okay, so the inside tells you what's in the bag. So, oh wow, this one is $18, and I only paid $12 for the bag. Wow. And what? This one, oh yeah, this one retails for $3 each. So that's $18 and $6 right there. Okay, so that's 24 already. And I still see how many here? 4 items here. Okay, oh, this is a very tiny product. So what is this? This is from Awake. There you go. And this is a lip therapy lip mask, and this is a deluxe sample. The full size of this is $20. Ooh, it smells so good. There you go. And the next one here is, this is from Grace and Stella, and this is a lavender body cream, and again this is a deluxe sample. So the full size of this is $15. So let's say this is $3 and this is $3, so that's $6 right there. And then we have here, oh wow, definitely a full size, and this is from Scone, and it's an eyebrow pencil, brow wand. How do you pronounce that? Brow wand. Scone Cosmetics brow wand in chocolate. And this is a full size, and this one is $20. My goodness. Wow. And the last here is from Galactic, and this is the Precise Eyeliner Marker. I'm not gonna be opening this one because they dries up if you don't use it right away. And this is the Galactic Precise Marker Liner, and again, this is a full size. Wow. And this one retails for $20. My goodness, I have $70 worth of products here in my bag, and I only paid $12. So maybe this one is their bonus item. So the only product here that's not full size are these two. They say that these are deluxe sample because the full size have 5 items, but still you can still consider one piece as a full size, right? I still consider this full sizes. So only these two are the deluxe sample sizes. So again, in my bag I got 4 full size products, and I only paid $12, and I got $70 worth of products plus the beautiful bag. So wow. And it says there 100th Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is the front, and here is the inside with the Ipsy logo in it. I am really happy. So again, this is my 40-year-old profile, okay? And let's open the 30-year-old profile. I wish I'm still 30, but I'm already 40 years old, turning 41 next month. Okay. So, ooh, wow. Ooh. I might get the same products though, because the first two out of the bag are the same. So it's the same card. They gave me the same items. They didn't change. So the toothpaste mask, the brush, which I'm very happy. And I'm very happy with those. Again, this lip mask, I like it, but maybe I'm gonna give this to someone because I don't need that much. This I'm gonna keep the same, and the other, so I got exactly the same, like exactly the same for everything, and the bag. So $70 still worth of products. Some of it I will be giving to some friends. So yeah, that's it. I'm very happy. I know this is late. I'm really sorry this is late. This is supposed to be March bag, and it's already April. And by the way, I won't be getting any more Ipsy for the next few months because I will be skipping it, or maybe I don't think I'm gonna cancel my Ipsy. But I know my BoxyCharm I already canceled. My Look Fantastic I already canceled. My Beauty Box I already canceled. What else are the subscriptions I've canceled? And then this Ipsy, I skipped the April. Maybe I'm gonna be skipping again the May. I'm not gonna be canceling yet Ipsy because at least with Ipsy you can skip the months. But then, yeah, because I don't want to get any more subscription boxes for now because of what's going on around us. Okay, so I'm very happy. I know it's late, but it's so worth it. $12 for $70 worth of products that I'm definitely gonna be using. Thank you very much that you watched till the end, and hopefully you'll be liking the video. Subscribe if you're new here, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.